Hey there, tech wizards. Welcome back to our freaking awesome channel. Today, we're stoked to unveil the Apple Watch S10, a 42mm marvel that will blow your freaking mind. The Apple Watch S10 is a next-level timepiece, jam-packed with top-notch features and mind-blowing technology. It's crafted to be your ultimate sidekick, keeping you connected, informed, and organized like never before. One of the standout features of the Apple Watch S10 is its jaw-dropping 42mm display. This massive screen offers a crystal-clear view of all your notifications, messages, and more. It's perfect for those who want to dominate their day without constantly being glued to their phone. But wait, there's more. The Apple Watch S10 also comes equipped with a plethora of health and fitness tracking features. It's tailored to help you crush your fitness goals with tools like heart rate monitoring, step tracking, and so much more. Thanks a million for tuning in today, folks. We hope you were blown away by this introduction to the Apple Watch S10. If you found this video helpful, please smash that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest tech updates. Until next time, stay on top of your tech game.